Yes, I did. I watched it yesterday. I watched it yesterday, Maya.
On TV, yeah? The Paris is getting ready now, guys. Where are you going to?
Let's go.
Where?
And I got dressed already. And look at my shoes.
Good day for the Paris.
Am I grade 2 or grade 1?
Just your simple loving is everything.
And this is my breakfast. Wow! Sorry.
Keep eating your breakfast.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away.
What are you looking forward to? Seeing your friends again from Kindy?
Yeah. Only so often.
Do you know?
Yeah. Okay, put that.
Do you know who they are?
All I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need.
I remember this was a crazy part. It wasn't actually funny. This one.
Did Daddy show you how to open it?
No, I can do it myself.
So be good.
Yeah.
Make sure when you come home, there's no more food in your lunchbox, okay?
It might be tricky.
You can give it a try. So you're a big girl
You
now.
see how I can do?
Yeah. Your friends.
You see what I can do?
Yeah. Your friends. They'll have a lot of food in your lunchbox too. Remember, you have to do it yourself now. So, school.
I look cute.
You are
Okay.
very cute. No one's gonna help you. What?
I will go down.
See, Mars? I tear that for you now. So when you need it over at school,
Easy for me.
Ah, I don't know for this. Mating baby Celine ay tulog pa. Hindi kasi maganda yung tulog namin kagabi. Alam niyo bang nagsusuka siya? Okay na yung pagkaramdam niya kagabi, di ba? Nakita niyo sa vlog natin. Ba? Nung tulog na, halos every 30 minuto, susuka.
Those are just fake snakes, Diana.
Lagi siyang hinihingi ng tubig.
Diana, those are just fake snakes.
Pinapainom ko tapos nilalabas ng din naman niya. Kaya siguro, may miss ko yata yung school nito ngayon. Si tatay siguro niya ang maghatid. First day niya kasi
Macaroni.
ano naman gisingin ko, nagpapahinga.
My dad did this.
Kanina umaga, binihisan ko na kasi nga, kasama sana kami. Paghatid. Kaya lang,
My Dina with Diana.
pagkabisa sa kanya, winom siya ng
Dina, I
tubig.
like macaroni.
Sinuka niya lahat ng tubig na ininom niya. Tapos ngayon, binihisan ko siya ulit. Pag-busy sa kanya ulit, sinuka na naman niya yung tubig. Kaya, nung ano siya kasi, parang pagod na siya. Pagod yung mukha niya ba? Kasi nga wala na kami ano kagabi. Tulog na lang. Look! Wow, love your hair. Maintindihan naman ito. Hindi makakasama si mama. Come on, keep eating. Come on. What else in here? Nana. Remember, at school, no one's gonna help you to do this. So you make sure you eat yourself, okay?
Okay. I don't know the question. Ew, crack.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need so much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I
Show
Is
me.
it almost funny?
Yeah.
Almost or
Show me, babe. Wow! Ganda naman ng uniform ng baby namin na yan, oy. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike last night ba, parang kailan lang. Inirik ko si Paris, yun, she's going to prep, like a big girl. Buti na lang talaga guys, ganda yung pakiramdam niya ba. Diba, siya yung unang, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. But yeah, she looks well. Isn't she, Daddy? She actually like coughing last night, but not a lot. She's not coughing this morning. Ito yung kanyang bag. Laki-laki ng bag niya, guys. Eh.
Say hello. Quick. Say it.
Mag-change ng shoes, guys,
I
kasi
guess.
maglalakad lang sila. Very close lang kasi. Doon na siya.
I can wear this outside while I'm walking.
Doon na yan siya mag-school shoes.
We wired. You dog.
Hey!
Look how big it is.
That's okay. It just means, you know, your back's covered, everything's covered.
Come.
Yeah. Enjoy your first day, okay?
Mum will come
Make
pick you
mommy
up.
and daddy proud. And Celine? Huh?
Here's
Mama and Celine will come pick you up.
Mum will come pick you up. Yeah. You put this on.
Hey, put your bag. Ang laki-laki ng bag. Aww. Ate. You look great.
heavy. My bag is heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, look at that.
You'll be alright. Baby, try to walk. Aww. Love, sweetheart. You want a kiss? See you this afternoon. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm very excited for you. You're gonna have so much fun. You tell me this afternoon what you learned from school, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you eat everything that's in your lunchbox, okay? Love you, princess. See you this afternoon. Have fun. Magi-11 na ng umaga. And alam niyo ba, na ang aking suso ay sobrang bigat na ngayon. Kasi since last night, hindi na nagdede si Baby Celine. So, nung ano siya, sumuka siya kaninang madaling araw, pinanong ko siya ng tubig. Humingi siya ng tubig kasi nakikita niya yung water bottle na sa gilid lang. So, tinuturo niya. Binibigay ko sa kanya and then, sinusuka niya naman. So, ngayon, parang naaano niya, hindi niya tinitek yung didi ko, guys. So, she is sleeping again. She's having a nap. I'll see if I can offer her something to eat kasi kanina ayaw niya talaga. Wala talaga siyang kinakain, guys, kanina. So, hindi ko pa siya nabigyan ng kanyang antibiotics this morning. So, hintayin ko muna. Hopefully, she will feel a bit better when she wakes up from this nap. But for now, nahanap ko to ang mahiwagang ang tawag dito, suction. Ano ko yung, ano ko guys, suso ko ba para yung express ko muna yung aking milk. I might have something to eat as well kasi hindi pa ako kumain. So, Daddy Mike, nag-work na. Marinig niyo siya sa background, nag-meeting sila. But yeah, gusto ko sanang pumunta sa bilhan ng yung gusto kong school shoes para kay Ate Paris, but yeah, we'll just stay at home for now, guys, making sure na mag-recover ang ating Baby Celine. Kasi if she keeps going like this, I'll go to the GP tomorrow and yeah, we'll see. But maybe just because of the antibiotics, kaya ganyan. I'm not sure. Okay naman yan siya kagabi eh. At the same time, iniisip ko kung kumusta ang ating Ate Paris sa kanyang first day sa school. Sabi ni Daddy Mike kanina pagka-uwi niya, diretsyo naman daw siya, pumasok. Tapos, that's a very good thing about having friends na galing sa kindi. So, yung mga classmate niya sa kindergarten last year, yung iba sa kanila, the same school, at nilagay sila sa isang classroom. So, meron na siyang kakilala. So, it's not, like, scary for her anymore. And also, knowing Ate Paris, she loves being with other kids. And, yeah, I know there's no, issue. Yung, iniisip ko lang ay yung pagkain. Sinabi namin sa kanya na pagbalik mo, dapat wala na yung pagkain. Kasi she's very, alam niyo naman kung ano siya sa pagkain. At minsan pag kumakain siya, kailangan pa namin siyang para mag-i-remind or i-ano pa kay ikaw yung mabigay sa kanya ng pagkain. So, hopefully she'll learn, she'll grow up. Pagkita niya yung mga friends niya na kumakain by themselves. Alam niyo ba, yung kakainin ko sana is yung kahapon. Okay pa yun siguro. Hindi pa naman one day, nasa fridge pa yung ating tawag ito. Spaghetti, tsaka yung ating roast chicken. My goodness. Sabi ng mama ko, ikaw rin naman ng kaninang gamot kasi yung ubo mo. Yung ubo ko kasi hindi pa rin nawawala. Tsaka yung aking sipon nandyan pa rin. Gising na ang baby girl. Manom siya ng tubig, guys. Ay, sinuka na naman niya ang tubig na kanyang ininom. And now, nakapupo siya. And I think because of the antibiotics, kaya siya, basa yung kanyang pupo. Come to mama. You want to change the bambam? Come here. Good girl. Come to mama. Love you. Gising na si Inday. Sobrang saya ko kasi nagdede siya. Pagkatapos kong i-express ang aking milk, gumising siya. Sinuka niya naman. No. Talaga, there's stuff to eat there. Oh. Kasi kung kakain dito siya. Diarrhea din kasi. Kahit ngayon, tubig na tayo yung inaano niya. Very smelly bam. Ha? Kisa si mama mi. I'm a lovely Christmas tree. Pelonggo sa mama, baby. Look who's home. Bulingit ng bata. Tingnan niyo. Meron ng flowers sa kanyang buhok. How was your first day?
Good.
Good? Sabi, tinanong ko siya guys, anong ginawa nila? Did you draw? Did you paint? Did you read a book? No, nothing. Just play.
And learn
Learn what? Learn to?
Japanese.
Learn Japanese. Was it Japanese or Chinese?
I don't know if it's Japanese or what.
Chinese?
Chinese.
Yeah, I think that is it, Chinese.
Japanese.
Jampani. Yan. Ibabath ko to guys. Yung dungis ng batang ito eh.
I want some snacks.
Yeah. We'll have a bath quickly.
I
Eat your
want-
sandwich.
Mom, I want different snack. Can I have those?
Make sure you drink your water.
Mike, can I get one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
crackers.
check Celine.
Where is she?
Si Celine ay nag-bath na rin guys. Nandun
What's
sa kwarto.
Lane doing and where is she?
Let me know when you're done, okay? I can take you to the bath. You can go to the bath by yourself. You're a big girl. Yes? Paris is going to school. Second day. Where's your room, Paris? Where's your room? Love lang namin kay Ate Paris. We're here to buy fruit salad for Celine and fried rice. Yes? Hey, hi guys! Wow, baby girl. Dito kami sa Vietnamese restaurant ng Vietnamese na bakery. What is that you're looking at? She really loves her water at the moment. No. Bumili kami ng fried rice. She had a little bit, konting-konti lang, but at least like she's open to it now. Kahapon, we spent the whole day at home. I think she was like, recovering. What's that? Kaninang umaga, uminom siya ng tubig straight away. Sinukan niya lahat ng tubig. And then she started like coughing. And then like it slowed down. What is that? Don't play with the water. So we have some fruit. Nagdula-dulaan. So Ate Paris at school and we'll pick her up at 3. Yum yum? Thank you, God. She might not be. Yeah? Yummy. 100%, but at least she's in the 90s. Oh, what the? Thank you so much, Celine. Where? We're picking up Ate Paris. Hi, big girl. My goodness, I can't believe it. Laki-laki na ng ating ate.
We have library bag.
Library bag. Did they say you have to bring?
Yeah.
Okay. Mama will get you one.
For library.
Okay.
Tomorrow, if you bring it, you get a storybook. But if you don't, you don't get.
Oh, okay. Then we'll
That's why I need a.
library bag.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll check, okay? What is it lang? It's raining, okay? Baby girl? Yeah, you stay in here because it's raining. Grocery shopping muna sa Lily. Bili kami ng water. Ate Paris! Hey! Come up from there. We got bread, we got milk, we got mango. Langgat mama.